Where are we going? Teka, come on, Daddy. Ito. Go. Run. Run. Go. Go. Here, anak. Dito. Come here. Pen, shoes mo dad. Let's buy you a shoes. You want shoes? Huh? Come on, let's look for your shoes first. Which one do you want? Huh? Which one do you want? Which one? That one? That one? Which one? Come, let's go here. Let's go. Go. Pick some more there. This one looks good. This one. You don't like this one? This one looks good. You want that one? That one? The one on the right? You want this one?
Yeah.
Okay. You want that one, huh? You don't like this one? Ayaw?
Yeah.
Ito? You want this one? Okay. You want that one? Ah. You want that one? Nice? So yeah? Yeah?
Yeah.
You want that one? Okay. Daddy will get your size. We just have to wait for them, okay? Daddy will get your size.
No problem. I'll call him tomorrow and then see him because I'm leaving for.
Over here. Yep. Daddy buy you shoes. Want shoes? Ganda?
Yeah.
You want shoes?
Yeah.
You want shoes? Daddy will take. Wow! Open. Wow! So yan? Ganda?
Yeah.
So big ah. Ganda.
Okay. Ayaw ganan? Okay. Ito. Palagat.
Baligtad.
Yun. Kasya. Kasya.
Ganda? You like that one? Like this one?
Like this one. This one. Good. Big.
Nabili Daddy?
Big
This one?
daddy.
Ganda? You like this one? Huh? I think we'll take the 9. Yeah.
Come in at 7.5.
Thanks. Yeah, stand up. Stand up. Daddy wanna see. Yeah, that will grow out on you. So 9 should be good. You have to walk. Walk down there. Walk. Go run there. Then come back. It's fine?
Diba?
Yeah. Walk. Go there. Go, walk, walk. I need to see it. Come on, walk. Go walk. You shy? Why are you shy? You have nice shoes. You want that one? Huh? Okay, we'll get that one. Come on. Sit here. Come on. Come on. You like your shoes? Ganda shoes? Ganda? Okay, let's go down. We're gonna pay for that shoes. So today we're just gonna unbox all the parts that we need for this season for my camera. This for my camera. And this one, huge shout out to APA Auto Detailing. These guys were based in Edmonton and I get a chance to win their raffle draw and they sent me the package few months ago. I just don't have time to open it up, but now we're gonna see what they sent. Okay. Oh, it's a Posh detailing product, I guess. Good thing I didn't buy this. I was hoping to get this Posh product and test if the hype is worth it. Oh wow, like opening a fancy box. Kudos to Posh, hey? Very luxurious unboxing process. Oh wow, what is this? Interior care? I'm gonna be trying this pretty soon when I run out on my interior products. Some towel that they supply. I believe that's also their brand. And I'm curious what is in this package here. Oh, I see. Oh, would you look at that? It's a nice container. Oh, shit. I like this. This is gonna be my interior brush. Wow. Okay, so that's what we get in the raffle draw that we won. Now let's move on to my camera setup. So basically we get all the interior care for this raffle draw. That will be sitting in the garage. Now let's move on to this package. Good shout out to my cousin Sardiao for ordering me this product. Okay, so we have two products in here. Nothing on the other side. We got Falcom products that we're gonna put in our camera. I'm just making sure if this is the right one. Now let's open this up. Okay, so we got the right stuff. So this stuff is the one that I've been waiting for quite a while. my in-laws and my mom's reaction on the gender on our next kid.
Sabi ko na sa'yo.
On our next kid. On our next kid.
Sabi ko sa'yo
Okay.
ngayon.
Now, me and my wife haven't seen this card yet. My wife told me that she wanted to see it on Monday. So we're gonna check it in Monday and get our reaction.
Oh. Oh.
So far, what is your reaction? What is it?
Happy naman, siyempre.
Happy.
The broad grandma say happy. You're not grandma yet. You're a little kiddo. You're both grandma.
Bawal pala ako magsalita.
Yeah.
Sa lunes pa
You're both
pala
grandma.
titignan eh.
Okay, guys, we're gonna continue this episode on Monday. Alright. So today, this is gonna be a reaction,
Wait, ano?
and we are gonna know what's the gender of our second baby. Okay. Open it up.
Open mo na, ano?
Let's see. Open.
Ay, open. Ayan na si Chantal. Oh.
See?
Open.
Open it up.
Open. Ano yun?
Okay. Yeah. Malungkot. Female ulit.
Ano female?
Sabi niya.
Wow!
So this time, guys. This time I
Baby
win.
brother?
Alright. It's a boy.
It's a boy?
Diba?
It's a boy?
Ano nangyari? Ewan ko kay Mac. Sasaya yan.